Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to be talking all about priority flags inside of TickTick. And it's all coming up next. So in today's episode, we're going to be talking a little bit about priority flags inside of TickTick. Now, this is going to be another short video, but I'm just basically giving you all kind of an overview of different sections inside of TickTick. Later videos will be going over how you can utilize all of these things like creating tasks, priority flags, tags, whatever. We're going to show you how to combine all of that into a productivity system. Okay, cool. So, like I say, this one's just going to be a short one, but I'm just going to go over priority flags really quick like. Okay, so as you see here inside of TickTick, it's the web version of TickTick, by the way. And just so you know, don't mean to get off on a tangent, but they also have on the Apple Mac an app for the Mac. I don't use it as much as I do the web version. Why? I don't know why. I just like using the web version better. Is the app any different? I don't know. We'll go over that in another video, but I just want to give you all a basic idea of why I'm using the web app, and that's why. So anywho, back to the video here that we're on. So right now we're going to talk about priority flags. So what are priority flags? Well, depending on how you want to create your productivity system. Did I get it right that time? Don't know. You might want to use priority flags to kind of dictate what's more important in your tasks for the day and what's not so important for the tasks of the day. And so how can you do that? Well, as you see here, I have my today view opened up here on my TickTick, and I have several tasks here, but I don't have any priority flags. So let's right click on one here, and let's say, for instance, I want to call it a high priority. Maybe I decided that cleaning the basement is very high priority today. So I can just click on that, right? And you see it turns the little box red here, okay? Conversely, maybe I want to say I want to film YouTube video a low priority. Obviously, it's not low since I'm actually doing it right now. Well, it could be. Maybe I got done with the clean the basement earlier and I haven't ticked it off. Who really knows? So, and of course you're like, well, Jerry, you're supposed to do that at 11:30 a.m. Aha. Well, this is just a test to show you how to use the priority flags. I don't really have to clean the basement. Sorry, clean. Sort of. So, and this is different ways you can just kind of like prioritize things. So therefore you can use these priority flags to just dictate whether or not you should get something done that day or not, whether or not you consider it a high priority. To be honest with you, in my way I do my tasks, I don't really use priority flags. Now, that's not saying that they're not useful, just that in the way I structure my tasks on how I do it is I don't really use the today view. To be honest with you, I use the calendar view. Okay, and let's just click off this clean basement. I never really did that because, well, I don't have to, so let's delete that. But my point is that sorry, I'm going to do a little cleanup here. I need to take care of that later. I usually stay on the calendar view. I really do. So priority flags are irrelevant for me here because I do everything from when I wake up at 3:30. You see there's nothing here because I cleared them all off. They're all gone. I've done all these tasks and I just do them as they come up. So my priority is time blocking wise. It gets it done. So I don't really do that much on priority. Now some of you might ask, because you've seen it probably in my other video, what's all this stuff up here, Jerry? Don't you drag that down there in your timeline? Well, I know I don't. Why? Because there's something I'm experimenting with called habits here in TickTick. I'll probably do another video on that later on about habits and how useful it is, or maybe not useful. Who knows? I'm still testing it, but I'm just putting a bunch of stuff up here and testing it day by day to see how it works in the habit tracker. So, but like I say, that'll be on another video. But anywho, that's all I wanted to kind of go over in this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And guess what? Did you know I make more videos? Yep. Just like I said the last time, I make other videos. And so here's another video that you're just looking at. Well, anyways, to stop from babbling, yeah, if you want to see more of them and, you like this channel, subscribe to it and hit that notification bell if you want to see more of these videos in the future. And with that being said, I want to wish y'all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care.